the drugs? Well, let me check you first. Free to go.
Have you checked his ID card?
Yes.
I will go call us.
We're here for the drugs. Kaya, open the box.
Yes, Max.
Dylan, Michael, let them out. That's good.
Okay.
So when can I expect the payment?
We can get it to you in about a week.
Now! No, listen to him! Oh, you dumb police punks!
I'm going down. I got back up. Get down. Get down.
Please, no, please.
Please. That's not a good reason why you should stay alive.
I'll serve my life sentence.